Smartphones are getting bigger and bigger, with only Apple managing to deliver a small, yet powerful handset in 2020 like the iPhone 12 mini. Now, according to info from Leaks, Sony is about to deliver a compact smartphone namely Xperia Ace 2, and it may well be a premium-level compact device which is the direct successor to Xperia Ace. However, a recent source says it may not be a flagship, but rather a mid-range device powered by the Snapdragon 690, a mid-range 5G-capable chipset by Qualcomm or Snapdragon 480. Either way, we get some live images of the phone. The images reveal a tiny device with some key design elements we've seen in previous Xperia devices: tall screen, dedicated camera button, vertical cam setup. However, it looks like it still features a water drop notches for the selfie cameras. This phone is said to have a 5.5 inches screen. Xperia Ace 2 is also said to not use Sony's cinematic 21:9 display ratio. They reveal a dual camera setup on the back, and what seems to be a side-mounted fingerprint reader, and a dedicated button for the camera shutter. Given that this phone has a 3.5mm audio jack, it could very well be aimed at users on a budget, rather than those looking for a compact Android flagship. It is touted that the Sony Xperia Ace 2 will run the Android 11 operating system, and will be housing a 4000 mAh battery. And also the phone is expected to feature 6 GB of RAM. Sadly, though, like the first-gen Xperia Ace, the Xperia Ace looks to be a Japan-exclusive device, and will be sold by Docomo. This is yet to be confirmed though. Expectant fans around the globe hoping for a new compact device from Sony will have to wait a while longer. So, what do you guys think? The Xperia Ace 2 does seem to be targeting the compact phone users. But will the mid-range chipset be enough? Stay subscribed to stay updated with further news. Until then, see you guys later.